Okay, so here we will log in. After login, we will see the listing of all the companies. As you can see, we have 1009 companies. So here you can see few companies I have added, but you can add or edit companies categories. So how will you do that? Example, like there is a company International Flavor and Fragrances. Go to the edit, click on edit, it will open in edit mode. Now if you know in which category this company will come, that's fine, you can choose that category. Otherwise you can choose any which you like I have chosen business and finance, and after choosing this option, click on update. After update, you will see there is one more option come, this category. Now you have to choose this category and click on update again. So this way this company is sync with this category business and finance. At front end side you can see this company is added in business and finance. If I click on that, it will show the list of all the companies coming in that category. So I added this International Flavor and Fragrances. After adding this category, user can also search, like I'll search this category like international. So you can see this company is now coming in search. So user can search company, click on that company, and after that user has option to review, and once this review is submitted, this review will be approved by admin. And normally this reviews coming in this comment section, and here you have an option to check the comments and approve or unapprove. So all reviews are coming in comment section. Also at front end side you can see we have this dashboard my listing. If user has added the company's name, all will show in my listing. Just go through that dashboard. So this is a user dashboard. After registration, user will get this dashboard. Here it will show the company's name user has added. Okay, user can see views, unique views, everything on that companies which user added. So here you can see all the data.